Hey there YouTube, Tyler here coming with a new video. I'm showing you guys how to make your own package of charms, candies to take to your next living history event or tactical. So to shorten this up, I kind of pre-made a lot of stuff, but I'll be talking all about it in the video. So what you're going to need is just a few simple things. So you're going to need a package of charms. You can pick these up online or at any novelty candy store. They're pretty cheap. You're also going to need some either double-sided tape like this crafter's tape or some stick glue. You're going to need some wax paper, and you're going to want to make a small square that is 3.5 inches tall by 4 7/16 inches wide. This is what you're going to rewrap all the charms in. And then you're going to want to print off and cut out the charms label from the Google Drive that will be in the description. It's full of a ton of free files you can download and print out and use for your own pleasure. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your thing of charms candies, and if you haven't done this before and you're really bad at measuring, what you can do is if you just kind of lightly open the package, don't tear it or anything like that, easily open it. And I'm going to leave them like this just for right now. And if you easily open it, you're going to end up with a package kind of like this. It's nice. You just lay it flat. And if you don't want to just measure out on the wax paper, all you have to do is just lay this over top of the wax paper, trace it with a pencil or pen or whatever you need, and cut it out, and you have the correct package, or the package size you need. So usually what I start with is I take some of this double-sided tape or some of the stick glue, whatever you're going to use, and I run a small bead right there along the bottom. And what I end up doing is taking all the candies out at once like this, and I lay them as center as I can eyeball, like so, onto the packaging. And the glue or tape, whatever you use, just kind of holds it all down, so that way you can easily just start rolling the wax paper around the candies to rewrap them. So you just kind of roll them like so, kind of holding everything together, rolling as tightly as possible. And once you get to the last one, this, pull it tight, run some more glue or tape on the inside, pull it tight, fold it over, and there you are. It's not the best folding job ever, but you're not really going to notice. I do better on other ones, but I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. So then you're going to fold the ends in. I usually start with the side where the two sides overlapped. Do just like that, and then the last one I usually put the glue, or in this instance tape, over that, and close it down. And do the same thing over here. It's nice because you can just set it down, that end over, like that. Put the tape over it and close it up. So this is what you're going to end up with. It's your repackaged charms. Don't really need to worry about the look of it too much, as you're not really going to be seeing it. I'm just going to put some more tape there just so I can close it up a bit better. So the next thing we're going to do is you're going to take your label that you printed out and cut out, and you're going to lay it over top. You want the candies to be sticking out a little bit in the ends. So you're going to lay this just center, and you're kind of, and what I usually do is I just try to center this, the whole assorted charms writing, center as best as I can. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I start kind of folding the edges over like so. Then I take this and put this on just this end for right now. That way I can lay this over top. Center as possible, and glue that end down. And then you just roll this over, keeping it taut. Then when you get to this end, where the two ends meet, I take the double-sided tape again, or the glue, run it as close to the edge as I can, like so. Then fold it over and try to roll these edges on it. That way the edge doesn't stick up. And that's going to need glued down a little bit better. But after that, you are done. So there you have it, a quick tutorial on how to make your own charms candies. It's pretty simple. It's really just take out the package, repackage it in some wax paper, and put a new label on it, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything you guys want me to show you how to do in the next video. See.